In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit aliases or rename in Tableau. Whether you're tidying up your data presentation or making your visuals more comprehensible, knowing how to adjust these names can be incredibly valuable. So, let's jump right in. To get started, you'll first need to open the Tableau public app. Once you have the application up and running, you should see a variety of options on your screen. Make sure to access your worksheet by navigating to the one you want to modify. This is where we will make all the necessary changes to your aliases. Now, in your worksheet, direct your attention to the data pane. This is typically located on the left side of the interface. Here, you'll find a list of dimensions and measures associated with your data set. Scroll through and find the specific dimension that you wish to create aliases for. Once you've located the dimension, right-click on it, and you should see a drop-down menu. From this list, select the option labeled Aliases. This is where you will begin the process of editing. Next, examine your view to identify a member of the dimension that requires renaming. Right-click on this member and once again select Edit Alias from the context menu that appears. By doing this, you're opening a dialog box tailored for editing aliases. In the dialog box, you'll see a comprehensive list of all current dimension members. These represent the entries currently in use in your visual. This is your chance to replace them with names that better reflect the data they represent or to correct any misspellings. For each member you want to rename, select it and then simply type your desired new name into the Value Alias field. This portion of the process allows you creative control over your data display, making it clearer to your audience. Remember that consistency is key here, so try to use terminology that aligns well with your overall data set and company standards. Once you are satisfied with the edits, the final step is to click OK. This action will apply your changes, and the aliases will now be updated to reflect your adjustments. Your chart, graph, or table should update instantly to represent these new labels. And there you have it. You've successfully edited aliases in Tableau. This process not only helps in organizing your data display, but also enhances the readability and professionalism of your reports. Join us next time for more Tableau tips and tricks. Keep practicing, and soon, editing aliases will become second nature. Thank you for watching.